Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are gonna make color paper, and so let's begin. So first take your bowl and then add turmeric. Now add white glue and now add water and then mix it. And now let's apply it on the paper. And now remove the extra turmeric on the paper. And our color paper is ready. And now let's get started by making the green color. So first take your bowl and then add white glue and now food coloring and mix it. And now add water. And now apply it on the paper. Now let's make the blue color. So first take your bowl and then add glue and now add acrylic paint and mix it. You can even use ink instead of acrylic paint and add water. Now apply it on the paper. And our color paper is ready. That's all for today's video. If you like the video, do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. Till then, thanks for watching.